Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's explore the influencing factors of conversion rate in a contact center. Since conversion rate reflects how many customer interactions actually turn into outcomes, whether that's sales, collections, upgrades, or retention saves, it's shaped by multiple levers working together. These include the quality of the data, the skills and performance of agents, the strength of the offer and value proposition, and the process enablers that support seamless execution. Understanding and optimizing these factors is the key to unlocking higher conversion and maximizing business impact. One of the most powerful drivers of conversion is the quality of leads and data. Verified, recent, and consent-based leads tend to convert at much higher rates because they reflect real, reachable, and interested customers. In contrast, purchased or cold lists often have lower intent, outdated contacts, and higher rejection rates. That's why strong CRM hygiene, intelligent segmentation, and consistent data validation aren't just operational best practices, they're conversion accelerators that set the stage for success. Another major factor shaping conversion rate is the skill and training level of agents. Strong product knowledge, effective objection handling, genuine empathy, and persuasive communication are what turn conversations into outcomes. Well-trained agents consistently outperform average performers, not just in volume, but in quality of conversions. That's why ongoing coaching, role-play sessions, and AI-assisted training tools are so powerful. They build confidence, sharpen delivery, and ultimately lift conversion rates across the floor. Customer intent and segmentation play a decisive role in shaping conversion rate. Not all leads are created equal. Inbound inquiries, where customers have already expressed interest, typically convert far better than outbound cold calls. Similarly, existing customers in retention or upsell scenarios are more likely to convert than first-time prospects who require more nurturing. That's why smart segmentation, intent-based routing, and targeted strategies are key to maximizing conversion efficiency. Product and offer relevance is a critical lever in driving conversion. When the offer is attractive, well-timed, and aligned with customer needs through smart pricing, compelling promotions, limited-time deals, or personalized packages, conversion rates naturally climb. But when offers are poorly matched, generic, or overpriced, customers disengage and success rates fall. That's why ensuring the right offer reaches the right customer at the right time is essential for turning conversations into outcomes. Sales process and scripting have a direct impact on how effectively conversations convert. When scripts are clear, engaging, and flexible, they empower agents to build rapport, adapt to customer needs, and persuade with authenticity. But overly rigid or robotic scripts can make interactions sound forced, breaking trust and lowering conversion. The best-performing contact centers strike a balance, using structured guidance to ensure consistency, while giving agents the freedom to personalize and connect. The channel of interaction plays a major role in shaping conversion rate. Voice calls allow richer engagement, stronger emotional connection, and real-time persuasion, which typically leads to higher conversion rates. Channels like chat, email, or social media may have lower conversion individually, but they're often more cost-efficient and help maintain broader coverage. The real power comes from omnichannel outreach, combining calls with SMS or email follow-ups, which reinforces the message, warms the lead, and boosts overall success rates. Timing of engagement can make or break a conversion. Reaching customers at the right stage of their journey, such as during renewals, payment due dates, or upgrade cycles, dramatically increases the chance of success. Even the best leads and offers can fail if the timing is off. In other words, right message, wrong moment equals a missed opportunity. That's why intelligent timing strategies, often powered by data and AI, are essential to optimize conversion outcomes. Customer experience is one of the strongest levers driving conversion. When customers experience fast response times, genuine empathy, and personalized service, they're far more likely to trust the interaction and say yes. On the other hand, poor customer experience, like long wait times, cold robotic tones, or disconnected interactions, can kill conversion even when the offer itself is strong. Simply put, great experiences close deals, while bad ones turn opportunities into losses. Technology and tools play a crucial role in enabling high conversion performance. When agents have access to well-integrated CRMs, real-time knowledge bases, and AI-powered assist tools, they can respond faster, sound more confident, and handle objections more effectively, all of which boost conversion rates. But when systems are fragmented, laggy, or hard to navigate, it slows agents down, weakens their confidence, and ultimately hurts success rates. In short, the right tech stack turns good agents into great performers. Compliance and trust are powerful drivers of sustainable conversion. When conversations are transparent, respectful, and fully regulation compliant, they build credibility with customers, making them far more likely to convert. But aggressive tactics, ignoring opt-out requests, or pushing beyond consent not only damage trust but also create legal and reputational risks. In today's environment, compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties, it's about earning customer confidence, which is the foundation of long-term conversion success. Let's wrap up with a quick summary. Conversion rate is shaped by a powerful combination of factors working together. Data factors, like lead quality and smart segmentation, set the foundation. Human factors, including agent skill, training, and customer experience delivery, turn conversations into trust. Offer factors, such as pricing, relevance, and personalization, create the pull to say yes. Process factors, like scripting, timing, and compliance, guide the interaction. And technology factors, CRM systems, AI tools, and the right channel mix, enable seamless execution. In short, when data, people, offers, process, and technology align, conversion rises sharply. But weakness in any one of these areas can drag down performance, no matter how much effort is applied. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.